Are you a devoted enthusiast of cosmetics and perfumes? Do you find yourself possessing a few spare hours each month? Are you yearning for an additional stream of income? Dive into an ocean of possibilities with the marvelous world of Essens. Were you aware that it is conceivable to earn income through the very threads of your social networks? Ponder this. How does this remarkable feat come to fruition? The answer lies solely in your ability to effortlessly sign up new customers. Each and every one of their orders shall reward you with a handsome commission. Contemplate the prospect of registering dozens, nay, even hundreds of individuals who shall faithfully make their purchases time and time again. Now, imagine the sum you could procure from such a venture. I shan't deceive you, for the magnitude of your earnings hinges upon the valiant expenditures of your registries. However, let your imagination run wild, for it is within that realm you may envision procuring a flourishing 1,000 euros or perchance even more. Truly, this remarkable endeavor is worth every bit of effort invested into it, would you not agree? Accompany me in search of further enlightenment on the captivating journey of monetary acquisition, not solely limited to Essens, for I, too, cherish the art of generating revenue within the realm of cyberspace.